friends, welcome back. Now this purple sheet has to be folded and then it has to be cutted in the direction as shown in the video. We have obtained flowers and flowers of different colors are to be pasted above that. So after pasting them, you can unroll it and you can paste them accordingly so that a curly appearance will look great on the flowers that we have made. Now just take this strip and roll it with the help of a straw like that. Simply roll it, and after rolling it, you can place them in between of your flower. Take green strips and then make the base of the flower like this. So this looks very great. Take a yellow sheet and a green sheet like this. Cut the green sheet in this specific manner and you can make this pineapple with very few easy steps. Simply roll this yellow sheet and place them accordingly. So these slices will look very great. Take a pink sheet and then start folding it in the direction as shown. After you have folded it in this direction, you can open it gently, and after opening it, you will observe that this flower is looking very great. Take another sheet and make similar flower like that. So now this sheet has to be taken and rolled with the help of a thin stick like this. Simply roll it and then place it like this in between the flower. After you're done with that, make some green petals and green leaves and place them accordingly. So you are done with this. Take a pink sheet and after taking that sheet, you have to open it. After opening it, you have to join them accordingly in this manner, so a complete flower will be made. So these floral drawings are really very great. Now take a hand and then drawing has to be taken of a hand. You can place these thin strips of green color in between, and now complete the outlook by drawing the fingernails and place your flowers above it. So guys, you are done with this art and it looks really majestic. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video.